Annie Jump Cannon was born on December 11, 1863 in Dover, Delaware. This was when the Civil War was happening. Her dad, Wilson Cannon, was a shipbuilder and a state senator. Her mom, Mary Jump, was a big inspiration to her. She was the first one who taught Annie about the constellations and encouraged her to follow her own interest. Although Cannon suffered from hearing loss at a very young age, she continues to excel in her studies. So Cannon took her mother's advice and went to the Wellesley College in Massachusetts. She studied under Sarah Frances Whitney, who was one of the few women physicists in the U.S. at the time. After graduating in 1884, Cannon went back home and pursued her other interest, photography. She often took pictures of her travels. After the death of her mother in 1894, Cannon returned to science. She went back to the Wellesley College and began working as a junior physics teacher while taking graduate classes. Cannon also decided to enroll as a special student at Radcliffe College to study astronomy. Radcliffe College was the women's college connected to the all-male Harvard College. 2 years into her tenure at Radcliffe, Cannon was hired to work at the Harvard College Observatory under Edward Pickering. In 1896, Cannon participated in the first X-ray experiments in the country. In addition, she became a part of a group of women at the observatory computers that would catalog and classify various stars. Prior to receiving her master's degree from Wellesley College in 1907, Cannon had already published her first catalog of stars in 1901. She developed a new system to classify stars mainly based on temperature, known as the Harvard Spectral Classification System. Cannon's sequence is still studied by astronomers today. Cannon was known for her speed as classifying stars and was credited with classifying 5,000 stars per month from 1911 to 1915. She continued to catalog about 350,000 stars over her lifetime. She has also discovered 300 variable stars, 5 novas, and 1 spectroscopic binary. Finally, Cannon was appointed a permanent faculty position at the Harvard College Observatory in 1938, and she worked there for the rest of her life. Annie Jump Cannon died in April of 1941 in Cambridge, Massachusetts. She was 77 years old. Here's the sources.